guys, it's Sienna, and if you don't know me, my name's Sienna, and comment down below so far what is good about your day. What's good about mine is that I'm about to play with some slime with you guys, and yeah, so let's just get to some slime roasting. So if you don't know what we're doing today, we are fixing slimes. So the first slime we have here, it's a very bad slime. As you can't tell, you can't poke it. Let's do a pet peeve. Oh no, that's really bad. And the cubes have gone really hard. Oh my god, I had to pull so hard just to get that to stretch that a little bit. It breaks straight away, but it is quite sticky. So, first we're going to start off by removing all the squares. And guys, I don't think we'll be fixing their colours today, because, yeah. So once we've taken the squares out, we're just going to place them on here, and there's quite a few squares, so not that much left. So there might not be that much slime after I've removed them all, because it do have slime on them, because there is slime. And I'm going to try to remove as much slime as possible, and my camera lighting right now, it is so bad. I wish I could fix it. We should have gone somewhere with another light, but I guess this is what we're going to have to work with today. Oh, 2 in 1. It's better than... I'm just going to squish it and make sure there's no more squares found. It's none. And another one. There's loads of squares in it. I'm going to break bits up and fill in between them. There's no more cubes left. And look how much slime there is compared to the start. Look how much cubes there are. No, it's like they could... That's how many cubes there are. Anyway, we're going to have to work with this much. So... now... Gonna focus, please. Come on. Focus. Are you gonna focus for me? Oh. Accidentally turned the camera. Body lotion we do right now. But obviously it didn't want to work. The camera didn't want to focus. So that was... See, it's already getting a better stretch. it goes really stringy at the moment. It's gone stringy, but that's good because that's what should happen. I know this is like so cringy how I'm playing with this right now. See, it's still hard to pull, so scoop this up. I'm going to add a bit more lotion. How much lotion are we going to need? Okay. Okay. That sounds so weird or not. Now we're going to add some of this. And then, I don't know what you'd call this, but it worked last time. Where that was definitely, probably too much. I think if we get this sticky, I think we can lay the cubes in. Because hopefully then the cubes will go less. Oh, this is really making it better. Even though there was low, it's gone really sticky though. It's gone better. I don't think we're actually going to add these cubes back in then. Because I thought we added too much, so I was going to like... Wait, this is a good sign now. You can actually look now and show. This is... Oh my god, this is so much better because I've got slime stuck on my hands and it's just really annoying. Watching this video back, this is going to be disgusting. Come slime drop. This is so sticky now. So I'm going to leave this in here and we're going to move on to the next slime. And we're going to see how that gets on in after our next slime. I was going to say in a minute, but then I was going to make fix the other side. Guys, look how bad that was. That took so much strength to do. So I think we're going to start by testing some of this with the slime. Then this is the only way we're going to be able to mix it. There's going to be a lot of the balls falling out. So, look guys, there's already been so much of them. There's already been so much of them fall out. What we're going to do, I'm going to put some of this in. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a hole. Be careful this time. Fold it over. Yes, I am doing it in the bowl because it got really messy last time. I done it to a big slime. Last time, when I'm saying like last time I done it, I didn't do it on the camera. So this is my first slime fixing video. Oh, a bit too much again. Fold it over and squeeze. This ball's really annoying me. I can't do that anymore. I think I'm gonna leave that on. So this slime does have the same balls that last slime had in, so it's fine. This slime is really good now. Guys, that purple slime, I just did not know how we could fix it. So, the next video might be trying to fix that slime. Look at the behind the scenes right now. Guys, these aren't knickers. This is a top, just saying. Cube, I don't know. Comment down below if you think I should add these cubes back in, or if I should use them for something else. So, I'm going to leave all the slimes here until next time, and I'm going to put the stuff we use to fix them at the back. Put our slimes in. So that's what that looks like. And we're going to put our board that we use up here. We have our mirror. Yes, I am using a phone to record. So that's why it's such bad quality. So that is the end of this video. And also I've got this left from when I made the cubes last time when I made the cubes for that slime. Add them jelly cube, or yeah, add that to slime. My hands are so sticky right now, but the first one we fixed, that definitely was a success. The second one wasn't one. So what are we gonna do in the meantime? What can we do? I don't know what we can do. Not sure, but so I guess we're gonna have to close out this. Oh my god, I just nearly dropped it. So I guess it's time to close out this video. Remember to comment down below what is good about your day, and at the end of that, comment hashtag notification squad and hashtag slime squad. You might get a shout out in my next video if you do that. And please leave a like if you enjoy this, or leave it a like anyway, or leave a like if you like slime. Just leave a like, turn on post notifications, and then comment down below what I just said, and then that will get you to become part of the notification squad and subscribe. So nothing else to say. Peace out. Bye.